Hi guys, and welcome to another video session. Today's video session is going to be a short one on fractions and how to convert them to and from mixed fractions. Now let's start off with a mixed fraction being converted into a regular fraction, or regular fraction as I'm naming it. Now a mixed fraction generally consists of a whole number, I'll say 7, and a fraction, 3/4, both holding the same space. So to convert this to a regular fraction, you would say your whole number multiplied by your denominator, right? So I'm going to say equals to 7 times 4, and I'm going to bracket that. Then I'm going to say add that value to your numerator, plus 3. All over, carry over this denominator, 4, which is equal to, now 7 times 4, following BODMAS, is 28, plus 3 over, carry over your denominator, 4, which is equal to 28 plus 3 is 31/4. And that is how you convert a mixed fraction into a regular fraction. Now let's get started with converting a regular fraction into a mixed fraction. Let's write down our 31/4, and let's work with this one and take it across back there. 31/4, notice that whenever you are dealing with writing down a fraction as a mixed fraction, you generally have your numerator bigger than your denominator. This fraction, 31/4, is the same as 31 divided by 4. So how many times can 4 fit in 31? So to find that, let's write down the multiples of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. 32 is suddenly bigger than our numerator of 31. So it cannot fit cannot fit into our numerator this many times. Let's find out how many times this is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you guys are a bit confused, 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 3 is 12, 4 times 4 is 16, and onwards all the way up to 4 times 8 is 32. Now 4 cannot fit into 31 8 times, because 4 times 8 is 32, which is bigger than 31. However, 4 times 7 is 28, and 28 can fit into 31. Therefore, our answer is 7. So 31/4 is equal to 7, and to find out what our fraction is going to be, okay, because it's a mixed fraction, remember we're converting a regular fraction into a mixed fraction, to find out what the fraction part is going to be, we write down our 31, make the line a bit longer, over 4. Now 31 minus, what do we do then? We say our whole number that we found times your denominator, right? And then you take this forward, is equal to 7, and 31 minus 28, because 7 times 4 is 28, all over 4, which is equal to 7, and 31 minus 28 is 3/4. So 7 and 3/4. Now, this is how you would convert a regular fraction into a mixed fraction. However, there is another way to do it, because let's say you're talking about like really big numbers. Let's say we're dealing with, I'm going to just use a small space here. Let's say we're dealing with 436 and 129. 436 over 129. And we want you to convert this or write it down in the form of a mixed fraction. What you would do then is use your calculator. Okay, so I'm going to say, what is it? It is 436 over 129. You just write this down in your calculator, right? Equals to, okay. Notice that this value does not get simplified because it remains exactly the same. So once you get that, you press SD and see you get 3.3798, whatever. So I'm just going to write that down, 3.3798. Now, take note, this is the decimal part of this number, and this is the whole number, right? So I don't want the decimal part. I just got my whole number from the calculator. So I'm going to say that my whole number now is 3. And then from there, I do the exact same thing that I did down here. I take my numerator, 436, minus, open bracket, 3 times my denominator, my whole number times my denominator, all over what my denominator was. And then this is equal to 3 times 129. So this is 436 minus 387 all over 129. There's our whole number 3 in front, which is equal to, and what's 436 minus 387? This is equal to 349 over 129. And that's how you would convert bigger numbers using your calculator, you convert bigger fractions into a mixed fraction. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a like on the video. If you know anybody that this could help or that may need help, do share it to them. If you have any questions or any issues, let me know down below in the comments. Subscribe for more content, and I will see you guys in the next video.